Imagine you've invested 5 lakh rupees in a bond that offers 8% as annual interest. Naturally, you expect 40,000 as interest in your bank account, right? But instead, you get 36,000 credited. You'll probably think, where did that 4,000 rupees go? Well, it's time to understand the concept of TDS on bonds. In this video, we'll explain how TDS works on bonds and how you can claim it back. Let's break it down. As its name suggests, TDS is tax deducted at source. It's a tax collected from the very source of income, that is, the interest you earn on your bonds. It is deducted by the issuer whose bond you have invested in. Now, an important question: is TDS deducted on every bond? No, it's not. TDS is applicable at the rate of 10%. It is deducted only when the interest amount is above 10,000 rupees in a financial year. And here's something people often miss. This 10,000 rupee limit is not per bond. If you've invested in multiple bonds, all the interest is added together. If that total crosses 10,000 rupees in a year, TDS applies. But hold on. There are certain bonds where no TDS is deducted on the interest. There's a link in the description where you can check the list. Now comes the big question. If your TDS is deducted, how can you claim it back? Don't worry, it's actually quite simple. You can claim your TDS through two simple self-declaration forms. Form 15G and Form 15H. Form 15G is for individuals below 60 years and HUFs. Form 15H is for senior citizens aged 60 and above. But there's one thing you need to know. Not everyone can submit these forms to claim TDS. You can use Form 15G or 15H if your total annual income is below the basic exemption limit. So for Form 15G, you can claim TDS if your income is below 2.5 lakh rupee under the old tax regime or below 4 lakh rupee under the new tax regime. And for senior citizens, old regime limit is 3 lakh rupee, new regime remains 4 lakh rupee. Now, if you're eligible to claim these forms, it's best to submit them at the beginning of every financial year. That way, no TDS is deducted in the first place. And if TDS still gets deducted later, you can always claim it back if you're eligible. So that's it for this video. For more such simple and useful tips, follow Fixed Returns Academy by Grip Invest.
Investments in debt securities, municipal debt securities, securitized debt instruments are subject to risks, including delay and/or default in payment. Read all the offer-related documents carefully.